absolutely amazing.
I personally feel really blessed to be on this journey.
It was a really extraordinary experience.
Chinese doctor that came up to Ikeda sensei and seriously asked him, please teach me the secret of the meridians.
Wisdom of the Classics workshop was an inspirational experience, and I just wanted to say a really deep thank you to both Alan Jansen and Ikeda sensei for putting in both the time and the effort to bring us such a beautiful workshop. I personally feel really blessed to be on this journey.